Hi there, Robin here. We're going to do a little quick video on this right here, which is the actual, they claim to be the original electric glass kettle. Now this gets used for all kinds of things, not just boiling water. I've heard people doing KD in here, Lipton cup of soup, all kinds of crazy stuff in this actual kettle, and there's a good reason why. Because the kettle's all glass and the element is actually separated and built right into this part right down here, that allows you freedom to actually be able to put whatever you want inside of it, and it holds a good and quick boil and will boil for long enough to cook things in. So besides, of course, using it for what it was meant for, boiling water, you can do all kinds of great things with it. Now for the puck itself, you'll notice the cord is very short, and that's because when you turn it over, the cord basically wraps around the whole unit. So you can make it as long or as short as you want. And so here we are, we've got ourselves a timer, and we're gonna press start. And that's going to start counting up. We're going to see how this does. We're going to press down on the button and we're all good. Oh, look at that. Nice blue LED light ringing that up. And again, for me, we're replacing an old plastic one. So I thought this would definitely be a lot safer than a plastic one. The glass is, we know that's safe. The plastic, you just never know. As they get older, we can have problems. Plus, it doesn't clean very well. This, no problem. If you need to descale it or anything like that, they give you instructions in the actual box to show you how to do all the descaling on it. They give you a really nice actual warranty card and a get to know us better family card. So this way you can do all that kind of stuff with it as well. All of that's included in the box. So here we are. Right away, as soon as we turned it on, look at that. We're starting to see bubbles. So we're going to fast forward over this and get ourselves to the end. I'll hold up the clock so this way we all can get a good view of that. And so there you are, 4 minutes and it's at a full boil. I probably could have cut that a little shorter, and I still could have said it's at a full boil. But look at that, 4 minutes boiling water. Now that's 4 cups of water, and it was cold right out of the tap. And of course, liters are marked on this side and milliliters, and on the back side you do get all the cups. Now look at that, I can spin this around and it'll still keep going because of the way it's designed. Convenient, easy to use, that's what it's all about. What an impressive actual kettle, way better than the one we currently have, so I'm really glad we got this one. So if you're looking for a glass kettle, well, they say they're the original one, and I can see why they're so popular. So again, if you're looking for a kettle, I hope this video helped you out a little bit in your shopping. And look at that, it switched off at 5 minutes. So at 5 minutes, it switched off saying, I'm done. I don't need to boil this water any longer. So there you go. Again, I hope this video helped you out today in your buying decision. Maybe I'll see you in the next one. Like I say, thanks for watching.